Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the color filters on your Android phone. So if your screen is some weird color, just go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll all the way down to accessibilities right here. So I'm using a Samsung A16 for this demonstration, but go to vision enhancements. So it's probably somewhere under accessibilities, but look for this option for color filter. We can just turn this on or off. You can see I can go to blue, crayon, string, green, orange, red. So just turn this off right here. Now you might have one on for color correction. This is for color deficiencies. You can go to one of these options. So if you have trouble seeing colors, you can just turn it on for red, green, green, red. And maybe I have an issue with this. Sometimes it's hard to see. Then we got color inversion, if it looks like that, highlight button, contrast, high contrast theme, etc. So just look at these options under here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.